Here's a new LG G6 here at the launch event in Barcelona. And who are you?
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from the LG UK team.
And so this is a special display right here.
Yes, it's actually a full vision display, so it's the first time we've ever introduced this on one of our handsets. What it basically means is that we now have a 5.7-inch screen, and you should actually see that actually the screen takes up nearly the whole of the handset. It's actually over 80%, which is massive. It really gives you a fantastic screen. Actually also has an 18.9 aspect ratio, which means that when you look at certain windows, it literally is half the screen straight away. So if I go to camera, for instance, now, I activate square mode. What it then allows me to do is snapshot, for instance, feature, okay, because you're half the display. And the idea behind this is that you can then, for instance, take a photo. Whilst that's there, it gives you a preview of what you've taken.
Nice.
That then allows you to take another image, and you can see it just keep swapping it around. Make sure that you're always able to see exactly what's going on. Now we've also got a 3,300 mAh battery this year, so battery performance is fantastic. Followed up with, obviously, one of the best camera experiences we've ever done. So you actually now have two 30-megapixel cameras on the rear. One's a wide-angle lens and one's standard. The benefit of that is that you actually get to 120 degrees now, so you can actually see a lot more.
And you can do bokeh effect?
Say that again,
Can
sir?
you do a bokeh effect where somebody's in focus, everything else is out of focus?
Yeah, so we have manual focus for that. So if I was to go on square mode again onto manual, you'll then see at the side here we have a focus option, so if you tap on this you can then focus in and focus out and focus exactly what you want. You get the best experience. If you tap on this option up here, for instance, now, we'll go from standard to wide open. The difference is quite dramatic. It brings a lot more people into view.
Nice. That's very wide.
Yeah, we also have actually a front and glass unit so it feels a lot more premium.
One thing that's pretty awesome that I heard from the video is in 4K, you can have stabilization.
Oh yeah.
So there's stabilization system in there.
That's correct, actually. Yeah. So
It's not optical. It's not optical.
No. So if you actually go into the stabilization options, you can see the difference. So when you are taking any video content, you'll notice it's a lot more stable than what we've done, and you get great detail as well.
This is the first smartphone with an HDR display, Dolby Vision display.
That's correct, yeah. So when you are watching any content, the Dolby Vision will actually give you a much better quality, and it gives you more refinement as well, so you get that better detail.
Alright. And there's rounded corners. Is that a new thing?
It is. It's actually something that LG Display has done. It just gives you a better aesthetic view. And personally, I think with the cornered edges as well, it just makes it nice.
But what is the display technology? Is that some kind of OLED or is it LCD?
No, it's an LCD. It's an IPS display.
You can easily make rounded.
Yeah, LG Display have managed to do that for the first time.
It's not hiding the corners?
No, it's not hiding the corners, no.
Right. And it's flat, it's not curves?
It's a completely flat device, so you'll actually see front and back. There's no filter. So like last year, for instance, on G5, the camera had a slight bump to it, whereas this year it's completely flat.
Nice. And so is it drop proof? They said it was extra resistance, reliability.
Yeah, so from this year's point of view, we are now IP68 rated, so it's dust and water resistant. So it gives you that assurance that you're getting quality.
And how about breaking the screen if it falls? Is it any new technology about that?
Well, we actually use IPS technology, so if the screen does actually crack, you'll still be able to use the panel until obviously you can get it repaired.
Alright, and this is the Snapdragon 821. But if you watch 16:9 movies, there will be black bars on each side.
You can actually alter it so you can get the view that you want. So if you go into video mode, you can view it whether you, and same with camera as well actually, you can choose the aspect you want to view it at.
Alright, so there it is. How soon is it available?
I think obviously you have to check for your local country, but it should be available soon.